Okay, so it is November 21st, 2024, and my friend Julia just texted me asking me if I could do a commission for her band, Beef, Steek. If you're new to my channel, you might not know what I'm talking about here, but this is the same Julia I made the big mantis heads with. I normally don't take on commissions, but this idea just sounds way too cool. She wants me to do the cover art for a single they're coming out with, and what she was talking about having me do was paint a bunch of angry dogs. She told me the deadline for it is January 1st, which is over a month away. And I'm already working on some other projects at the moment, so I'm not gonna jump on it right now, but I'm really excited for this project. So it's been about 2 weeks since Julia first texted me. Julia told me that she was most interested in Dobermans and Greyhounds, so I've scoured the internet looking for photos of these dogs. Once all the references were compiled, it was time to start drawing.
Brighter than it seems to be. Bad weather, cheap leather, you know.
Julia told me she loved the paintings I did of the chickens, so I decided to use those as inspiration. Normally, I don't start my digital paintings with a sketch. I often just jump right into painting. This go around though, I'm not just creating a painting. This piece is going to be used as the cover for an awesome song, and I want to make sure that the artwork represents all the talent that's behind the music. Along with the super rough compositions, I'm also including some of the doodles I might add at the end and the colors that I'm thinking about using. All these notes are important to add because it can help me translate more clearly some of my ideas to Julia. Okay, I'm going to send these sketches off to Julia now, schedule a call, talk about any notes that she may have, and then hopefully pick a composition to move forward with. So I had a nice little chat with Julia, and it seems like she really likes the third option, the one with the greyhound. We both agreed that having this white greyhound against this really dark background would make for a really cool illustration, and we were also talking about maybe incorporating the other thumbnails somehow into the final illustration as some doodles at the end. I'm really excited about this piece, and now that I know which direction to go in, I can begin the final painting.
Perfect incision in my sleeping hour, key holding. You're folding uptown. Shit decision at the roundabout. Bad joking, you're choking me out. Legs that I'll forget. Your hand against my neck if you'll keep count. Breaking windows like a bad dog. I hide, just can't help yourself and I hide. Quite sure I'll let it slide. I hide. Just can't help yourself.
Okay, so I think this is in a really good place right now. I think it looks sick. In my opinion, I think it's pretty much done. All I have to do now is send it off to Julia and see what she thinks. Hopefully, she likes it. I am a little bit worried about the sketches I chose to put over the dog painting. I'm worried that Julia might think that they're competing or that maybe there's too many sketches. I don't know. Hopefully she doesn't really have any notes, but if she does, then I can make those adjustments. Okay, I'm gonna send this off to Julia and I'll let you guys know what she thinks. Hi, it's been quite some time. She loved it. Julia was really happy with the painting. She immediately approved it, but she told me that the song's release date was getting pushed back. I made this video months ago, but she asked me if I wouldn't mind waiting to put it out until the song was out. And it's finally coming out. The song is getting released this Tuesday on July 22nd. I've been using clips and pieces of it throughout this entire video. You can pre-save it through a link in the description. If you're watching this after July 22nd, I'll make sure it's the new link to the actual song. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like the video. Go check out Julia and her band. They're really good. And I hope to see you all in the next one.
Breaking windows like